Namaste and hello friends. Welcome back to the video. Today we are going to do the Dhanurasana. The word comes from the Sanskrit roots in which Dhanur means bow and Asan means posture or seat. While doing this posture, our body seems like the bow. That's why it is called as Dhanurasana or bow posture. We will be using a prop, a yoga belt, to make the posture more comfortable so that there will be no pressure on your knee joints. So get ready for the posture. To begin with, first lie down in Makarasana, then lie prone, flex the knees and grasp the ankles with the help of the yoga belt. Make sure the belt is around both ankles while your toes are pointing upwards. Rotate your shoulders so the shoulder blades are going inwards, elbows are going inwards. Now, inhalation, slide your arms forward, elbows are pointing forward and lift your body. The main concentration is on lifting the body using the quadriceps femoris muscles. Make sure you're not using your upper back strength fully. The main focus should be on your quadriceps femoris muscles. Then exhalation, you slowly release. You can repeat it 1 time, 2 times. First time you feel it harder. Second time it becomes little bit lighter. Third time it becomes more easy. On third time you can hold little bit more closer from your ankle region. Then try to slide your arms forward. Inhale, lifting up. First time when you lift, you can see how much distance you need to maintain from the belt. Either you want to hold it more closer or you want to hold it from the end. You can hold it from the mid or from the end region. Breathe. You can slide your body or you can make shift on your body forward and backward so the muscles get relaxed. Breathe. Breathe comfortably and then exhale. Slowly come down. Make sure you're not feeling any pain on your knee joints and on your ankles. Then slowly release. This is the second way of holding the bow posture with your elbows pointing upwards. Breathe. Slowly you are going to feel that yes, you are able to reach the ankles without the help of the prop. Then slowly release the belt, place it aside and lie down in Makarasana while focusing on your body, mind and breath. Now, without the prop, lie prone, flex the knees and grasp the ankles. Now, the main thing is you are going to lift yourself into a bow, but the deep back muscles you are not going to use fully. What you can do, extend the legs at the knee joints with the quadriceps femoris muscles more active. Breathe. Long inhale and exhale and exhale. Slowly release the posture. You can stretch your ankles, then slowly release and relax in Makarasana. Those who doesn't have any knee problems, they can do a good stretch before doing the bow pose. In this stretch, you are stretching your toes, shin bone, knee joints, and the quads muscles. This is a useful stretch before doing the bow posture. And then only try to do the Dhanurasana or bow posture. Comfortably relax in Makarasana. Now slowly place your arms. Inhale, come up on your knees. Give a nice stretch. Cow and cat stretch or Marjariasana. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, squeezing your belly. After doing it couple of times, then sit up in child pose in Balasana. Then slowly sit up in Vajrasana. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching and take care.